Hello everyone, this is Jency and welcome back to my channel. So guys, ngayong araw na to pupunta kami sa Whiskey Town Lake and wala kasi akong time na mag-ayos sa bahay. So kasi may appointment kami na dinaanan sa eye doctor. So dito na lang ako nag-aayos. So maraming salamat sa itong comb straightening hair. Nabili ko to siya from Instagram. Maraming salamat kasi magagamit ko talaga to siya kahit saan ako pupunta. So ayun, tingnan ninyo ang ko, yung buhok ko talaga is kulot na kulot, pero nadala pa rin siya sa sa hair straightening comb. So, salamat nito. So, ayan. Tagal, pero matagal siya kasi kulot na kulot talaga siya. At saka, tingnan ninyo yung buhok ko is patay. Yung dry at saka frizzy talaga siya. So, tingnan natin kung ma-okay ba siya. So, ayan. Meron ako short video dyan. So, ayan. Parang nag-straight naman siya. Naman siya. So, yun, thank you. And, ayun, papunta na kami sa lake. Tingnan lang namin ang water kung okay ba siya. So, ayan. And,
this one. Let me show you where the water is.
hi! Dear God. No, they're not even going around.
There's no way for them to go down or up.
Honey, watch out. Where are you guys going?
That's what they were looking for.
So this is the Whiskey Town Lake. Oh, that's a spillway if it's a water well. And they gonna drain it there. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, and here's Kennedy. President Kennedy was the one who's so that's the flag of Kennedy. So right. I'm in the lake.
TJ.
He does. Where's my TJ? Hi! Hi! Yeah. Are you gonna go to the water? TJ! Are you gonna go to the water, baby? Ang linaw ng water. Sarap maligo, pero wow, we can swim in here.
Is this a swimming